Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix verification code not received on Zara application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix verification code not received on the Zara application. So if you're not receiving the verification code, you can check your phone number or email to make sure it's entered correctly. Wait a few minutes as verification codes can sometimes be delayed. Also check your spam or junk folder if the code is being sent by email. You can request a new code by tapping resend code. Ensure you have a stable internet or mobile network connection. Of course, also you can go and restart the Zara application or update it to the latest version. So you can go to the Google Play Store, App Store, and check if there is an update. If you're using SMS verification, make sure your phone can receive text messages and that do not disturb or carry a spam filter isn't blocking them. If the code still doesn't arrive, contact Zara customer service through the app or website for assistance. One tip, avoid requesting multiple codes in quick sessions as this can temporarily delay or block new verification codes. To go to the support, go to the bottom right corner, click on account, then click on settings, and there you will have, as you can see, all of these options that you can of course go and click on, and you need to go and click on the support for of course to be able of course to talk to their support, or you can do it on the website. Also you have it in the top right corner, click on help, and there you can of course get help from Zara. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.